Hey guys, another new arrival at Car City. Beautiful 2008 Honda Odyssey EX, and this one has only 100,000 miles. It's got only one previous owner, low miles, one owner, clean Carfax. I mean, this one is in pretty good shape, you know. This one is EX model. It is inexpensive minivan, but again, those Honda Odysseys, they're good runners. They're well known for their reliability. Japanese, again, low miles, beautiful body, you know, no problems at all. Got a little few minor scratches on the rear bumper, but nothing serious. Nice rims. Nice tires. Just came from the detail shop. Again, 100,000 miles. Power windows and locks. Close interior. Again, nice and clean. AC blows cold. There is a climate control, AM, FM, CD changer, no lights. 100,000 miles, power doors, traction. This one is an 8-seater, and as you can see, it's been in very good hands, you know, very well maintained. All looks good. So if you guys looking for very inexpensive minivan, it listed for only $9,000, 100,000 miles. I mean, this is a winner, guys. If you're looking for a minivan, stop by. Not gonna be here for a long time. Let's see if I can open the hood, so I'll show you the engine. 3.5 VTEC engine, all nice and clean. Again, it's got a fresh oil change, been checked by our mechanic staff, ready to go. So check us out at carcitychicago.com. Give us a call if you have any questions. We speak a lot of languages, as you can see, so we speak your language here. So yeah, 847-496-4250. We can help you with the finance. We can help you with extended warranties, and again, it's priced right, so it's not gonna be here for a long time. 847-496-4250. This car, this beautiful minivan, can be yours today. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.